In the depths of the jungle, the crown is not gold, but a promise written in blood and roots. Here, victory is not measured by conquest, but survival, earned through primal fury and silent cunning. The Root Blood River, shrouded in legend, marks the battleground where every drop of blood feeds ancient roots, binding victor and vanquished to the land. The one who stands at its banks is not just a beast, but the living spirit of the wild, a force crowned by nature itself, shaped by struggle, and forever part of the jungle's eternal cycle.